Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Just want to show you the depth that I'll go on this job that I'm doing now, because it's really damaged the brickwork. What I'll do is I just wanted to show you, they put it in so hard because they only wanted to use a very thin piece of pointing, so that's terrible depth. I'm going to go 4 times, maybe 5 times the depth of that. What they've done there is just disgusting. Right, get your £2 coin and put it in the joint. If it sits in the joint, perfect. You know, even the perps, if it sits in the joint, that's perfect depth. Even if it's just a little bit shallow like that, it's still good compared to what that is. Terrible. But you don't have to put it into hard. You know, harder the mortar doesn't make it better for the building, and it's going to stop it fall out. There's more chance of that cracking. You know, you want some movement in your pointing, so a good depth like that. You know, there's so many people doing fast pointing. Look how fast I can point, but they haven't ground it out, and it's very shallow. So a good depth, or unless you're just wasting your time. Obviously all this will have to chip out. You just keep tapping away at it just to knock it out. But any questions, just give me a message. Thank you.